Hello class, this is another how-to video on how to link a box or a button on your World War II website. First thing you're going to do is once you're here inside your website, where you're creating your website, I need you to go to plus and I need you to go to buttons. Once you click on buttons, you're going to need to choose which one of these you want to add, and we're going to add a button, which creates this automatically here. All right, now here you see it, you can move it around where you're going to put it. So let's say I'm going to put it right here. And maybe I want to put it, let's just put it here. And I want to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to stretch it out that big or long. Let's just say it's that big. Now, in order to make this an active button, I got to double click it. Once I double click it, you have your option of what you're going to call it. So I'm going to say link to Truman. So this is where the box that we're going to create in order to go to the Google Docs on whether you thought Truman did the right decision in dropping the nuclear bombs. So what you'll do now is you need to get the URL, and it's going to be a web address. So let's go here and let's go to Drive. So I'm going to create a new one, new Google Doc that I will be linking to that button. Google Doc. What is it going to be called? This is going to be called Truman and the Bomb. All right. All right. Once that is, once you do that, you have your title. So here you would paste the question, and then in 8 to 10 sentences you answer it. But you got to share this or change the options. You click to advance. You need to make sure that this is no longer says private, but it says public. And you hit save, and you hit done. What that did now is it made sure this document is accessible to anybody. So now we got to link it to that box. So you click on the URL, you right click, hit copy, and we go back to our website. So again, to get you where we go right now, you double click the box, you have the name, you click on the link, you go to web address, and here you right click and you paste the URL and you hit OK. And as of now, that button is now there, the name is there, and it is now active. To check sure if it works, go and click preview. Once you click preview, it makes your whole page active. If I click this, it should automatically open up the document, and since I made it public, it should automatically go in. All right? So that is how you link a button on your website. All right? Thank you very much. We are done.